Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Toyota Avalon's fuel tank door. First, you'll need to locate the fuel door release lever inside your vehicle. This lever is typically situated on the driver's side floorboard, often positioned close to the hood release lever. It's designed for convenient access, allowing you to open the fuel door from within the car before refueling. This simple step ensures you're ready for your next fill-up. Once you've located the fuel door release lever, the next step is to activate it. Gently but firmly pull the lever upwards or outwards, depending on its design. You should hear a clear clicking sound, which confirms that the fuel door has successfully unlatched. The door will then pop open slightly, usually by about 1/2 to 1 inch, indicating it is now unlocked and ready for you to open it fully. After activating the release, walk to the rear of your Toyota Avalon, specifically to the driver's side where the fuel door is located. With the door slightly ajar, gently push it open completely with your hand. The fuel door should swing open smoothly on its hinges, providing full access to the fuel cap. This step prepares your vehicle for refueling, ensuring the cap is easily reachable. Now that the fuel door is open, unscrew the fuel cap by turning it counterclockwise until it comes off. After refueling your vehicle, securely replace the fuel cap by turning it clockwise until it clicks at least 3 times. Finally, gently push the fuel door firmly shut until you hear a distinct click, confirming it is securely latched. This ensures your fuel door is closed and locked for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.